you a question?
Sure, what is it?
Can you name the organs of integumentary system?
Okay, so the integumentary system are skin, hair, and nails. Trivia lang ha. These tissues also works together to produce sweat and oil. It is also protect our body from infection and injury.
What are the three layers of skin?
The three layers of skin are the epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis.
Identify the types of cells in the epidermis.
Keratinocytes, melanocytes, Langerhans cells, and Merker cells are the types of cells found in epidermis.
How to protect your skin from UV light.
You can protect your skin from using umbrella.
Also lotion and sunscreen.
Identify the function of the skin.
Functions of the skin includes preventing water loss from the body, sensitizing vitamin D, blocking UV light at saka tumutulong nito sa pag-regulate ng temperatura ng katawan, and also it serves as the barrier to the entry of microorganisms.
What are the functions of the three layers of skin?
The epidermis is the outer layer of the skin. It provides barrier and it creates our skin tone.
Dermis is the middle layer of skin in your body, protecting your body from outside world, protecting your epidermis, feeling different sensation, and producing sweat.
Epidermis is the bottom layer of the skin. It has many important functions, including storing energy and insulating your body and protecting your body from harm.
Why do people have different skin color?
People have different color because their melanocytes produce different kind and amount of melanin.
What are the kind of skin disease?
There are many types of skin disease, but I'll give you some of them. The acne, Leicester, and Haves. Those are skin disease.
Torres, is it true or false that the skin is the largest organ in our body?
True, because skin is the largest organ in the human body.
True, because it covers your whole body and makes up to 16% of your overall body mass.
What makes our skin waterproof?
Our skin is waterproof because of lipids produced on the epidermis cells and because of tightly packed curtain-filled epidermal cells in the stratum corneum. The skin also has sebum that rises the surface of epidermis to keep our skin lubricated and protected.
What are the components of a connective tissue?
So, there are four basic types of tissue. First, connective tissue, epithelial tissue, muscle tissue, and last is nervous tissue.
What is skin cancer? So I'm going to answer the question, what is skin cancer? So skin cancer is the abnormal growth of skin cells. It most often develops on skin exposed to the sun. And a lot of you are wondering why or how do people get this skin cancer. So the main cause of skin cancer is overexposure to sunlight, especially when it results in sunburn and blistering. So the UV or ultraviolet rays from the sun damage DNA in your skin, causing this to have abnormal cells to form. What factors determine the texture of the hair? So the answer would be the factors that determine the texture of the hair is the thickness and consistency of its texture. So, texture refers to the diameter and thickness of each individual strand of hair.
How does exposure to UV light can cause skin cancer?
Too much UV radiation from the sun or sunbeds can damage the DNA in our skin cells. DNA tells our cells how to function. If enough DNA damage builds up, it can cause cells growing out of control. It can lead to skin cancer.
How to maintain healthy skin?
To maintain your healthy skin, use sunscreen and to avoid intense sun exposure and also drink plenty of water and also get enough of sleep.
What are the classification of tissue?
All forms of connective tissue are composed of extracellular fibers and amorphous matrix called ground substances and stationary and migrating cells. Yeah.
Compare and contrast the epidermis and the dermis. So for me, the epidermis and the dermis is the top two layer of skin in our body. So the epidermis is the top layer of our skin and the dermis is the middle top of our skin. So the epidermis in our skin is the tiniest and the dermis is the thickest in our skin.
On what basis are epithelial tissues classified?
Epithelial tissues are classified with numbers of cell layers, the cell shapes, and the functions of the cell.
What is the function of sebaceous gland? Well, the function of sebaceous gland is to produce thick, oily substance called sebum. Waterproofs our hair and our skin to prevent them from drying out. Explain how the dermis regulates body temperature. Temperature rises, sweat glands in the dermis secrete our sweat. As the sweat evaporates, it cools down our body, and the blood vessels in the dermis will also dilate, which bring more heat to the surface, and it can radiate into the environment. When body temperature falls, sweat glands stop producing sweat, and the blood vessels in the skin also constrict, conserve the heat of our body. What food to eat to have a healthy skin? First is fruits and vegetables contain powerful antioxidants that help to protect skin from the cellular damage. Second is we need vitamin C to support the immune system and promote radiant skin that helps blemishes heal. Third is the vitamin E that plays the key role in protecting the skin from oxidative cell damage.